Now I want to discuss with you very important part, an easy approach to solve the problems, word problems related to the chapter sets, Venn diagram. If there is a set A, another set is B, how we represent A union B in the Venn diagram. Suppose this rectangle which I am drawing is showing the universal set. This is the set A. Suppose this circle is representing the part or the portion or elements of set A. And now this is representing the part or the portion of the elements of set B. If we want to show which part is of A union B, it means that A union B is the shaded part, that is each part, each section, each element of A and B when joined. So this is the Venn diagram of A union B. If you want to show, you want to understand what is the part or what is the Venn diagram of A intersection B. Similarly, one rectangle will show you universal set. One of the circle is A showing set A. This is showing set B. A intersection B means only common zone. So for common zone, I am going to give a different type of shade. So this is our part A intersection B. This is A intersection B. This is A union B. Now if I want to tell you that if there are two sets A and B and nothing is common, not touching, such sets where A intersection B is phi. Phi means empty set, no element is common, nothing is common, such sets are known as the disjoint sets. Similarly, you may be asked to draw the Venn diagram of A complement. It means that what you need to do, you have drawn the universal set, you have taken this A as a set. A complement means everything other than A. So leaving this A, remaining part is shaded, that is known as A complement. So similarly, many of the operations can be shown and proved by the Venn diagrams in the different situations. Now I will tell you to solve few word problems with the help of Venn diagrams.